Welcome to FX Empire's MetaTrader 4 overview video. This is the first in a series of MetaTrader 4 related videos that take a look at this platform. MetaTrader 4 needs to be understood simply because roughly 85% of the Forex brokers around the world do use it. So even if you are not using it presently, the odds are that if you ever switch your Forex broker for whatever reason, you will run across MetaTrader 4. It is hands down the most common platform, as mentioned before, and in fact there are several reasons for this. It's actually one of the easiest platforms out there to use and gives you an enormous amount of options. The layout for MetaTrader 4 is intuitive and is very easy to navigate. This is one of the reasons it is so popular. The upper left hand side has the Market Watch window, and directly below that you have the Navigator window. To the right you have a chart window, and then of course you have your terminal at the bottom, which shows things like positions in the market, news, account history, emails from your brokers, and the like. The Market Watch window will show you several different things. The first thing you'll notice is that there is a list of all the currency pairs that can be traded. The prices are color coded, as the prices in red are ones that last movement were a tick down, and prices in blue are pairs in which their last movement ticked up. The tick chart is available as well. As you click on this, it shows you the bid or the bid and the ask, depending on how you have it set up on a tick level. And as such, for people who are scalpers, that may be the way you go. By right-clicking on the currency pair, you can look at such metrics as the high and the low of the trading session. And as you can see, I right-click on that, you get the bid, the ask, the high, and the low. Pretty straightforward with that, but very important information to know at times, so you can figure out the day's range. For example, if you're trading a lower time frame and need to know the high and the low of the day for the use of pivot points, for example. The Navigator window allows you to log into several different accounts if you happen to have more than one, but it also has the ability to see all of the available indicators as well as expert advisors, or trading robots, if you will. So for an indicator, if you say you want to happen to use the ADX, you just take it and you simply drag it into the chart, and then the parameters pop up. We'll just go ahead and leave that as the standard parameters for now, and you can see the ADX pops up on the chart. Another interesting thing is that the Navigator window also allows you to look at expert advisors. So for example, if you have trading robots, they will be here, but the MetaTrader 4 does come with certain expert advisors. So again, you can just drag it into the chart. You can enable alerts. You can change whether you want to only go long or short, or go long and short positions when the proper trading conditions fire off. And you can click allow live trading. You can also ask it to manually confirm. In other words, a pop-up box will come and say for example, maybe a buy order in the dollar Canada has initiated. Would you like to confirm this before the actual trade place? You can do that. Okay. And then of course you have to turn on the expert advisors here. You see that the moving average now has a smiley face. It has an X when the advisor is loaded into the program but is not allowed to move. Again, there's a happy face, etc., etc. The chart window itself offers three types of charts. You can see there's the bar chart there. You can zoom in and get rid of the grid, a little cleaner look. There's candlesticks and there's lines, and of course there are a multitude of different presets. And of course, we'll go into this a little farther in one of the other videos, but you can also change the colors, for example. So you also can go to the default, which in this particular case is a red and green candle. And you can also look at templates that you can. Many come with the program. For example, if you want to use a Williams template, that's what the Williams template looks like. It comes with moving averages and several different Gator and a couple other indicators that Larry Williams uses in his system. But as you can see, the charting is definitely one of the biggest features for this program, as it is simply one of the most flexible and available out there. And as such, you will find that the MetaTrader 4 platform is very easy to use, and it can be highly personalized for the trader and their trading needs.